Hey YouTube family, it is Tree. How have you been? Missed you guys. It's been like a whole year. Crazy. Let's not dwell on the past. Let's focus on the present. And I am here to give you an update of my wash day. I want to bring you up to speed with like what my wash day looks like even when it comes to styling, because when I tell you it's stripped back because I don't have time. The product I will be using is Pantene Gold Series. Yes, and they say that this is the breakthrough series. And I'm just like, okay, what makes it breakthrough? I'll do my research and to find that it's been formulated by black scientists. Ding! Like, yes. So that was just great to know. The moisture boost, I was like, okay, let's go. I have to try this and I want to share with you all. So just a reminder for those, you know, it's been a long time, I understand. I have low porosity hair, so that just means that it's harder for water and moisture to like penetrate through the cuticles of my hair. So it means that I have to go in with extra layers. So I'm going to be showing you my 5 steps on how I have a banging hair day, what my wash day looks like. So let's stop the chit chat, let's get into it. So as you know, step 1, I'm going to start with the Moisture Boost shampoo, which is infused with argan oil. First, I just want to show you the consistency. It's rich, it's creamy, it lavas instantly, and it softens and hydrates rough cuticles when cleansing. So I make sure I use the palm of my fingertips to really massage the scalp and remove product buildup. Super important. After I rinse that out, this is how my hair is looking. I go straight in with the Moisture Boost conditioner, also infused with argan oil. And you know, I don't do this dime size business. Yeah, it's a lot. But I use that because I always detangle with my conditioner. Even if a range has a detangling product, I always detangle with a conditioner. So I separate my hair in half and then again into a quarter, and this is how I like to work, in quarters. And I finger detangle. I no longer use tools or any combs. I just go in with my good old hands and my fingers. So I separate, first focusing on the ends, working my way up and just taking my time. Now this does take a bit of time. This is the most time consuming part, but I just find that I'm much more gentle when I detangle my hair with my fingers instead of using a comb. So now step 3, I'm going in with the leave-in detangling milk. I really wanted to show you the consistency because it's actually so nice and thick for a leave-in, none of this watery stuff that we have. And I just apply this all over my hair. If you notice, I'm not sectioning, I'm just applying it as one, focusing on the ends and just making sure I'm raking that through, again with my fingers, with my hands. Here we are with step 4. I'm going in with the Hydrating buttercream. This can be used on wet or dry hair, and again showing you the consistency is nice and thick, perfect for my low porosity hair. So all this layering will really help to penetrate the hair shafts, and I'm smoothing that in between my palms, again focusing on the ends. And I just want to show you how my hair looks at the moment, also remembering I've not used any tools. This has all been finger detangling and it still looks pretty good. So step 5, the final step, we want to seal with an oil. This is their hydrating oil. Guys, this stuff is amazing. Look at that consistency. I was shook. It smells amazing and it feels so good on my hair. I run that all the way through, you know the deal, focusing on the ends, focusing on the roots. I put a bit of that on my scalp as well, not too much. And now we're going to move into the styling. So I braid my hair because I fancy the braid out. Haven't done that in a while, and here are the results. Loving how my hair feels, super impressed with my braid out results. Hair feels nice and soft, nourished, and the curl pattern is banging. I love the combo between the buttercream and the hydrating oil. These are winning products for me. Overall, really impressed. Love the infused argan oil. So would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this range? Have you tried it? Does it work for your hair texture? Let's have a chat in the comments and check out the Gold Series by Pantene UK.